Hi, I'm Alex out of NPTI Orlando. I'm a fitness trainer and instructor, and today's item of the week is the Athletic Works Ab Wheel. This is a great addition to your fitness arsenal. It's a very complicated tool, so I wouldn't suggest it for beginners. It's more of an intermediate to an expert level of fitness product. I'm going to have a student come out and demonstrate it for you, and we'll go from there. So to perform the movement with the ab wheel, you're going to begin kneeling on the floor with your shoulders directly over your arms and over the wheel. You will then roll the wheel out while your arms continue to stay straight, your core is engaged, and your back does not dip down. You'll go all the way down to the floor until your stomach touches, and then again pull back into the starting position, keeping those arms straight and the core engaged. Again, I'm Alex from NPTI Orlando. I'm a fitness instructor and personal trainer, and the item of the week was this Athletic Works Ab Wheel. Go out to your local Walmart near you and give it a try.